Now, First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Tom Messner.
Well, I hope the shoveling or the snow blowing went well for you. It took a couple of hours at our house, I got to tell you. There was quite a bit of snow out there. In fact, I want to take you back in time. 24 hours ago, look at the way the snow was coming down all over the places, of course, including the Champlain Valley, where you see some of the pink here. We had some decent areas with some sleet out there, not only in southern Vermont, southern New Hampshire, also in parts of northern New York. So we'll bring you up to what is going on right about now, and this is it. Now, snow showers remaining. We've got this upper level low that'll continue to zip on by, but in the meantime, I think we've got some snow showers to deal with for at least the next few hours. Most of them will end up in the mountains, meaning the snow that does come down, maybe a little bit in the way of accumulation. We're not expecting much, but we've got some action right around Dannemora, Lion Mountain. If you come on down toward E-Town, we could find a little bit of snow there. Also in southern Vermont, Manchester, we've been looking at some snow. It's been light, certainly, and you can see how the movement is going from the west to the east. Some of this is lake effect snow coming off of Lake Ontario. This turned out to be quite a storm. Most of us 6 to 12 inches or so, but we had some variation here and there. Meteorologist Tyler Jankowski is here. Tyler, I know you've been poring over the numbers here. How's it looking?
Well, sizable storm, as you said, most of us over a half foot, even with some of the sleet that mixed in. So let's take a look at the reports we got in. Dozens and dozens of reports. Malone came in about 6.5 inches, and even some double-digit reports, close to 10 inches up near Rouse's Point, down through Chazy, even Plattsburgh with 9 inches. Then you go down the Northway near Scroon Lake, about 9 inches. And check this out across northern Vermont. From Burlington east on 89 to Montpelier, 7, 8, 9 inches. The official Weather Service measurement at the office in Burlington was 9.5 inches, and then a little bit less right along the Connecticut River between Vermont and New Hampshire, more like 4 or 5 inches. A little bit of a downslope component to the wind there off the White Mountains. And how about the wind too? The wind in Rutland over 50 miles per hour, and that too contributed to just a little less snow, more like 4 or 5 inches around Rutland. The Upper Valley, 5 or 6 inches, but then some 6 and 6.5 reports there north of Brattleboro and in the Bennington area. So a decent storm for all of us, and it looks like we have a little more on the way, but probably not all snow, right, Tom?
Yeah, it's going to be a little bit different for sure, Tyler, as we head into Friday. In the meantime, I think the snow shower's hanging in there for a while, at least through evening time tonight. The sun comes back tomorrow. Tomorrow is actually going to be a very nice day around here. Friday's the one we're watching for the next go-round of snow, and we do think that snow is going to mix with and eventually change over to rain. Hold that thought for just a minute. Taking a look at the State House in Montpelier here, tough to see now. It's just a nice new blanket of snow. You can see a little bit in the front lawn here. 28 degrees there with the temperatures that have come up today. Boy, that is a nice change as well. It was really cold during a lot of that storm, at least 24 hours ago, when temperatures were in the teens for virtually everybody. 31 right now, Burlington, 31 Plattsburgh, 30s on down to the south. It's not going to be all that cold tonight. Temperatures are going to be dropping, thinking right in the Champlain Valley. That's what we're looking at here. Lows about 20 degrees, 21-ish. I think the snow comes to an end. We have a lot of clouds until we get into tomorrow. Now, the beginning of the day tomorrow, yep, clouds, but the clouds giving way to increasing sunshine. Thinking a high right in the Champlain Valley, around about 30 degrees or so. So here's Futurecast. We're looking at 7:30 tonight. Yep, some snow showers. Most of the lingering snow going to be in the northern mountains, the Adirondacks, also the northern Green Mountains, right around Jay Peak. You guys maybe even lingering into first thing tomorrow morning with some snow. And then we've got the clouds giving way to increasing sunshine. We'll take you to tomorrow night, and then comes Friday, and this is our next system. It's not a huge storm by any stretch, but in the morning on Friday, most of us looking at some snow showers, although the rain trying to just get into the St. Lawrence River Valley at 7 o'clock in the morning. Look at the way the warm air comes in, and we start to find that changeover. We may find just a few pockets of freezing rain. We'll have to keep an eye out for that later on Friday, but generally for most of us it's going to be pretty warm out there. So this is the evening commute as the rain works its way away. Then it gets colder. We go back to snow. All right, forecast for tonight. Few snow showers, temps in the teens to around 20 for lows. And then for tomorrow, increasing sunshine. Highs in the 20s to near 30 in northern New York. Plattsburgh will be 30 along with Burlington, 26 in Johnson, and mostly sunny on down to the south. Ludlow 28, Rochester at 29 degrees. 5-day forecast. Valentine's Day is tomorrow. It's going to be nice. 30 degrees. Snow going over to rain. Maybe a few pockets of freezing rain. We'll watch that. Most of us going much warmer than 32. We'll call it 40 in the Champlain Valley. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Temperatures are starting to slip. We're highlighting Monday. Of course, that's President's Day. Tuesday back into the 20s. Look at all the sunshine here. Afternoon snow on Wednesday, then back to the sun the following 3 days. And that includes a week from Saturday.